Hello dear customers, dear subscribers. With you is the company Ison. In this video, we will have a review of a 5 megapixel IPPOI surveillance camera with sound recording. The model is called Ison Ip50S-Sl. This camera is available in two versions with 4 and 5 megapixels. And this is one of the most popular video surveillance cameras in the category with sound recording. When it comes to video surveillance in stores, inside private residences, in certain locations where sound recording is necessary in principle, this camera is one of the most widely used. Why? Because it's such a golden mean. There are more expensive cameras, 8 megapixel ones, for example, Ison Ip50S-Sl Pro. Cheaper cameras, 2, 3, 4 megapixels. For example, Ison 30S-Sl camera is the same. This is a camera with a 5 megapixel resolution, and it is considered to be the perfect balance between quality and affordability. Thanks to its features such as a wide viewing angle and good sound quality, it has gained popularity as an excellent option for video surveillance at an affordable price. Let's talk to you about this camera and also tell you about the ready-made Ison Mall Pro video surveillance systems. These are ready-made kits that include everything necessary for these cameras to work. This is a cable, a video recorder, connectors, etc. So now we have a 5MP modification on review. Externally, the 4MP one looks the same. The difference is only in resolution. 4 and 5MP differ by 20%, which means 1MP is 1 million pixels, 1 million points on screen. So in a 5MP camera, there are a million more points. The camera comes with a Sony sensor. This is the original Sony Matrix, neither a copy, nor a fake, nor a replica from AliExpress, which now accounts for 90% of the global market. It is the original Sony Matrix. The resolution here is 2K. The camera comes with high-quality IR LED illumination. On board is the latest Gen IR LED backlight. Thanks to it, the camera has night vision up to 25M. The camera also received an updated AMX processor of the latest generation. Here are the Starlight DWDR PoE technologies. PoE is a technology for transmitting power over a single cable. On one side, a twisted pair was connected here, on the other side, a DVR. For instance, NVR04 PoE, NVR08 PoE, that is recorders distributing PoE power. That's it, that's all you need to do. Here you don't need to pull an extra power block, pull extra cable. Everything here is pre-installed. WDR tech is a camera buying tech without which money is essentially wasted. No matter where you place your camera for video surveillance, you'll encounter situations with sunlight entering the lens or shadows falling multiple times a day. And on regular cameras, everything in such moments turns black in the frame, so you will not see faces, you will not see car numbers. Here's the tech that solves this problem. Also, here's the DNR tech. This tech reduces noise, that is interference, in low light shooting conditions. Often asked, can this camera be mounted on the ceiling or only on the wall? It can be attached to both the ceiling and the wall. Thanks to the fact that this dome rotates left-right, up-down, you can direct it wherever you want. In terms of installation, this camera does not differ from ordinary cylindrical cameras. The camera here is in a metal case IP66, which means it can be installed both indoors and outdoors. The camera has on board 801 microphone, the highest quality of all the microphones that we have reviewed. Here, of course, he goes on board because it's the latest generation camera. The set traditionally includes a box, instructions, protective caps, and all the necessary fasteners. If you have any questions about these cameras, ask our managers or in the comments under this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new videos.